Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polkadot. As in my last video, we were watching that Polkadot was above this very strong support of $10.60, and right now we are again moving at that support and also at the resistance of the previous channel that is now working as a support. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will start another move to the upside from here, or it is going to break down this next support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame chart. And previously we have seen that Polkadot was moving above this support, and this was a very strong support zone that was from $26.60, and the bottom of this support zone was at $24.30. And you can see since after May 2021, the price line was not even, you can say here in August 2021, after August 2021, the price line was not breaking down this support. And before that, it was breaking as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a resistance here after breaking down this pattern in the month of June 2021, but recovered back. And again, it was breaking as a support, and for several weeks it was breaking as a support, but broke it down, confirmed this breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance, and after that it moved down and almost tested this last support, key support we have here at $6.85. Not the last support, but very strong support, because previously it was breaking as a strong support resistance here back in August 2020, and it became support after breaking out. And you can see almost tested here, and recently we have dropped very close to this support but could not reach up to this support. The drop was up to $7.30, and the support is at $6.85. And the basic reason that the price line did not touch this support is the support of the previous channel. Let me show you this move on the daily time frame. Then we can see after the drop, the price line dropped here and tested the support of the channel, moved very close to the price level support of $6.85, but this support of the channel did not let the price line to move more down from here. And again, we are at the resistance of the channel. On the daily time frame chart, sometimes we are moving above the resistance of the channel, sometime below, and on the weekly time frame it is likely to test the previous resistance of the channel as a support. If the weekly closing will be above this resistance of the channel, then there will be a very high probability that we may start another reversal move from here to break out the next resistance zone, that is from $24.30 and goes to $26.60. And the target for this down channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $51. Now if we watch on the smaller time frame, DOT has formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern. At the same time, Bitcoin has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern and could not break out the resistance of this neckline so far. But you can see that Bitcoin is forming higher lows, so that is a good sign, and it is possible that Bitcoin will break out this resistance of the head and shoulder pattern. And with Bitcoin, there is a very high probability that DOT will also break out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern. Now if we take a look at the target for the head and shoulder pattern that DOT has formed on this 4-hour time frame chart, then expected target can be here. That will be approximately at $16.49 to 50 cents. Now at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic on this 4-hourly time frame, then you can see it is moving in the opposite direction as the price line is forming higher lows. And if we take a look at the stochastic, it is forming lower than previous lows. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence flashed on this 4-hourly time frame that is also indicating to the breakout. However, it depends on the Bitcoin move as well, because if Bitcoin breaks out, then there will be a very strong possibility that we will break out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.